Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a link to a row in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly attach URLs, like documents, websites, or anything else to specific rows in your sheets. This is a fantastic way to keep related resources right at your fingertips and make your workflow smoother, whether you're managing projects, coordinating teams, or just keeping your personal tasks organized. So let's not waste any time, let's dive right in. Once you're inside your Smartsheet, take a look at the row you want to work with. Now, here's the first key move. Simply hover your mouse pointer over the row. As you do that, you'll notice a small attachment icon, kind of like a paperclip, pop up near the left or right side of that row. It might seem like a small detail, but this little icon is your gateway to unlocking a whole world of attachments and links for your project. Go ahead and click on that attachment icon. Once you click it, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see a panel slide out labeled Attachments. This is where all the magic happens. Now, right at the top of this panel, you'll notice a few options: row, sheet, and all. Just a quick note on what these mean. Row is for attaching something to that one specific row. Sheet would let you attach a file to the entire sheet if you ever need to share resources across a whole project. And all gives you a full overview of attachments throughout this sheet. For today's demo, let's focus on the row option since we just want to add a link to a particular row. Next up, you'll see a button that says Attach Files to Row. Go ahead and click it, and this is where you get to choose your row. This comes in handy if you ever click the wrong one or want to change where your attachment goes. Select the row you want to attach your hyperlink to. Smartsheet will now present you with several options for the type of attachment you want to add. You can pull something in from Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, Evernote, Ignite, or even Brandfolder. Plus, you can upload a file right from your own computer. But for this tutorial, let's focus on links and URLs. Click on the option labeled Link. This is where you'll type or paste any web address you want to tie directly to this row. For example, maybe you want to link to a related Google Doc, a specific web page, or even a YouTube video that's relevant to this task. Whatever you need, just drop the URL in the field provided. It's also a good idea to add a descriptive name so everyone knows exactly what that link about when they see it later. Once your link is in place, just press the Save button, and that's it. Your row now has a clickable link, neatly attached and ready for anyone who needs it. If you like, you can repeat these steps for more rows or try linking to different kinds of files and resources. Smartsheet makes it easy to keep everything interconnected. If any part of this feels a little tricky at first, don't worry. It gets easier with practice, and once you've done it a couple of times, you'll be adding links and managing attachments like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you've got in the comments below. I always love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and step-by-step guides. See you in the next video.